That was a great spike from the 31 player in between the seams. They got to really block off that seams. Floater coming in. Oh, great up. Oh, tipped it. Ah, the center couldn't get to it.
Jumped so high.
Standing float. Oh. It's a middle. Oh, it's just a tip. Good set to the outside. Oh, it's tipped in. Oh, they couldn't pick it up. Another floating serve. Oh, it's in. Oh my god, that guy gets so high and just tipped the ball over. I think he missed his hit, but it was still a great hit. Still a point, that's all that matters. Oh. Great dig. Out of system, it's going to be a free ball for the other team. They really got to get a point here. Oh, and blocked up! They are blocked up! They nearly finished building the house because that was a roof right there. Another float. Oh, close ball. It's going to be a free ball. Can they convert? Oh, an error. An error which they should not be making in these finals. It's okay. Hopefully he's still in the mindset to win this game. Great pass. Oh, good A. Great pickup. Oh, it's another hit out. He's going to be shaken. The other team's going to feel advantaged here. We really need to get this next point. Giving away a free ball. Let's see what happens. Oh! Good tip, wipe off the hands right there. The score is 10-7 in way of I think the other team. It's a big lead. They really gotta fix up their mistakes. To the outside. Oh yes. Great pick. It's a tip over by the setter. Still in. Can they convert? Oh, to the outside. Tipped over. Wiped off the hand. That's a smart point right there. Oh shit, that's the game. It was only up to 15. Oh, that was a great game. And the winners who won? This one? This team, the closest one. Good job, guys.